This is a very basic colour chooser program converted to the Pico. I wrote it so I could choose colours to use for my octal counter using the colours of the rainbow. The code is I'll leave the code in the description if anyone's interested. The buttons on the breadboard aren't used. So here we go, we run the program. It says, do you want standard, which is 0 to 255 colour notation, or percentage, S or P? So I will go S. Then I'll start off input red value, 255, then green, 0, blue, 0. Looks a bit washed out like that. So we will try my old friend the eggshell. Run it again, 255, 0, 0. Now that's better, but the problem is it covers up my buttons. So I've come up with a cunning thing. This is a spotlight that stopped working, that I sawed off the metal bit, and so that fits quite nicely without interfering with the buttons. So we'll try it again, 255, 0, 0. That's quite nice. I think that's quite nice. So you can mix your colours. You can go 255, 0, 255. No, that's wrong. 255, 0, 255. That's better. That get a kind of lilac-y colour. Or you can go 0, 255, 255, which is rather a nice turquoise colour. So you can stop the program and run it again, and this time choose percentage colours. Then you can go 50% red, 0% of green, and 100% on blue, and that's kind of a bluer colour. Or you can go, if you go 0, 0, 0, nothing happens. Or if you go 100, 100, 100, there we go. That's meant to be blue, but the green LED is a lot stronger. So we'll just try 10 for red, 0 for green, and 90 for blue. What will that do? Ah, that's blue with a slight tinge. Anyway, there you have it.